Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Once again I am here. You are watching my channel English with Rajni Devi. Today in my video I am going to share with you how am I learning English, because I want to tell you everything how am I learning English and how did I learn English, because I want to tell you everything. But before starting the video I would like to tell you, if you like my video, so please do subscribe, like, share and comment my video. Actually your comment and your like is very important for me, so please do the comment and do the like, because why I am saying. So without wasting the time, let's come back to point. As I am saying that how am I learning English, because speaking English was my passion since school days. So that times I couldn't learn English, but I wanted to improve my communication skill, because that time I asked to every person, could you help me for improving English, but nobody helped me. Actually I think this is a my journey, and I have to handle myself. So I am not claim to anyone. Okay, I think this is a my journey. So that times I wanted to improve my communication skill. Even I didn't have any device for improving English. Actually that times I didn't have any environment, any person, even I didn't have any device for improving English. That time was very difficult for me, but I wanted to improve my communication skill. But so that times I thought how to start speaking English, how to learn English, because I want to improve my communication skill, but I didn't have any device for improving English. It's okay, I think this is a my journey and I have to handle myself. So after getting married, so that's why my time passed like this. And after getting married I had a mobile phone, and then I started using mobile phone. So that time I started listening the English video, and I started watching the English video with the subtitle. So that's how I started listening. Actually I told my previous video, listening power is very important. Without listening we can't speak English, because we can't imagination can speak English well. We can speak English well, so without listening we can't imagination. Okay, so that's so first of all I started listening English, and one day I started using the mobile phone, because that time I watched Facebook, and then I saw one application, and then recently I downloaded, and I started talking to strange person. I think that time I talked to any person from Bangladesh, from Sri Lanka, from Pakistan. So that's how I started speaking English. And but I want to improve my communication skill. So that's how I started speaking. But I couldn't speak English well, because I want to be perfect in English. So I thought should make the video and then upload. So that's how I started making the video, and then I started uploading the video on YouTube. I think this way is very good for improving English. If you want to improve your communication skill, you should make the video. I am not telling to you, I am not saying that because you should upload the video as you wish. Okay, but this way is very good for improving English, because this way is very superb. Okay, actually I think according to me I have some tips for improving English, and I have to some point for improving English, for starting speaking English. Actually when you start speaking English, so first of all you should have listen. You have to listen, and then you can start. Okay, you can start speaking English. If you don't want to speak English to other persons, so you can start speaking English with yourself. I think this way is very important, and you don't have any hesitation when you start speaking English. I think, I think this way is very important, and your flow will be increased definitely. Okay, and have the practice is very important. Without practice we can't speak English, so practice is very necessary. Okay, without practice you can't speak English. Okay, practice is very necessary. And next one, think in English. Okay, actually I know I have already this problem, because when we start speaking English, so first of all I translate in my mind and then I speak. I think this is a not good habit for your speaking English. Actually, when you start speaking English, you should think in English. Automatically your flow will be increased, and automatically you will start listening in English in your mind. So I think this is a not big deal for improving English. If you if you have practice a lot, definitely you will be increased. Okay, so I think this is my tips for improving English, and already I use these tips, so that's why I am telling to you. If you like my video, so please do subscribe, like, share and comment my video. Actually your comment and your like is very important for me. I told my previous video, so please don't forget the comment. Actually your comment is very important, so please let me know I am good or not, because your comment is very important. So thank you for watching my